Welcome back, everyone. Well, today got something special. Well, at least to me, something I've been dying to do. And even though I tried to replace resurface these, it's time to replace them. So today, I'm gonna show you guys how to change your headlights on a 7th gen. So as you can see, these things, they just gotta go. I mean, no, camera doesn't do it justice, but at night you can't see nothing on the road. Even with the brights on, it's worse than your regular low beam headlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and change those and show you guys where we're going to change them to. Now, you have plenty of options for the aftermarket when it comes to the Civics, and if you're a little bit savvy and you even want to give it a facelift and you have the 01 to 03, well, simply put, buy a set of fenders, new bumper and hood, and you can give your whole car a facelift. Used to be cheap back in the day, but right now, honestly, probably not worth your time. In any case, let me show you guys what we got. So, brand new, and I do have to say for myself, those are 100% better. Now, this, I'll be honest with you, probably one of the easiest repairs, or if you want to consider it a mod, that you can actually do to your Civic. I mean, it's simple. You basically need a 10 mil. I'd say better be off with a socket. So 10 mil and a extension and a ratchet, and then a flathead screwdriver. And they're simple to do. And if you see, they even come with instructions, which, to be honest with you, don't need those. So get down to it, and you guys will stop seeing my ugly mug. So get to it, and I'll show you guys how it's done. Back at the car. So to be honest with you, all you're gonna need: flathead, ratchet, 10 mil, and extension. And that's all you're gonna need. Well, take that back. You might need a Phillips. Now, with the age of these cars, there was actually, when they made them new, a screw you can see right back in here. Well, a lot of those over time, they're broken, or, well, pretty much broken. And so you might want to do a mod like I did, where you put on these little banjos. One benefit of those is, if you guys hit something, to be honest, if the bumper pulls out, check this out. You run over one of those little, let's say, what do you call them, little concrete tire stoppers over in the parking lot, or if you're low and you run over something, basically what happens is you bump out your bumper and right back it goes. Well, see, pop back in. Try to make a liar out of me. But basically, easy, say $15 mod that you can do, and it saves you. As you guys can see, one of these, all you basically got to do is get in here with the flathead, pop them up, and they pull out. And well, you're pretty much done. If they're a little easier, it's gonna make a liar of me. But, you know, in any case, that's it. That's all that's holding it on, with like 2 screws literally. And well, there's some clips down in here, but they're metal brackets, they stay on the car. So just go ahead. You're gonna have obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out the screws on the sides, and this whole thing will come off. So we'll get to it. We'll be right back with that bumper off. Alrighty, and we're back. And you can see, simply, literally 2 minutes, and the whole bumper's off. Literally right there. But unfortunately, couldn't film. They had nothing to hold it. Nobody to help me today, so couldn't film it and show you guys in real time. But literally, this thing took me less than 2 minutes to do. So the next thing you're gonna want to do, obviously, you have another clip here that you want to pop out, 10 mil there, and it's kind of hard to see, but back in here there's gonna be another 10 mil right under here. So you guys take those out, the whole headlight will come out. You can unhook the lights, it comes out. So see if we can set you guys up to where you can see it, and we'll pull it off and show you. One. If you guys haven't noticed, I have these little strips over here. They go along the headlights. That's actually a really cool little $20 mod that you can do. And they basically stick on, and you can do like I did. You can wire them to a switch, or you know, you just leave them wired straight to the battery. My suggestion would be to wire to a relay, just in case. It doesn't take very much amperage because it's LED, so either way, honestly, works fine. But it's really cool in the fact that when you have them on and you flip on your blinker or your hazards, they'll flash yellow. That's really cool. Or you can go to with the option that I did, which also includes the, you know, everybody calls it unicorn puke, but you know, the multicolors, which is actually a really cool feature. So if you guys haven't seen my short where they're sitting there rocking out our lights, check that out. And it actually looks pretty killer. So anyways, back to it. Take out that last one and show you guys this whole thing coming off. Second one. And unfortunately, I forgot about a bolt, so kind of made a lie to you guys. But you can see, gotta take this one out as well. And that bracket will come off the car. Alrighty guys, so now you can see, that's it. Headlight is off. So just take off these clips. Presto. So way back when we got that off. As you can see, back there, it's off the car. So one thing you guys are gonna have to do is replace this bracket onto the new headlight. And well, it's as simple as pulling off this 110 mil bolt. Then you can take this bracket off, place it on there. So we'll get to it. Alright guys, now you can see, simple. Just make sure you line up this little knob right here with that hole, and this little nub down here with that hole. Pop it on, put your bolt in, simple. Now, I mean, well, I'll say that's a gorgeous headlight, but besides the fact, I digress. Basically, because you guys are going to be moving these things around and stuff, my suggestion to you, leave the plastic on until you install the headlight on the car. Simple. We'll save this thing from getting scratched up. Well, the only thing left that I have to do is to reinstall my LED strip. Well, actually it goes that way. So I'll put some new double-sided sticky tape, which I have here, and I'll cut down and I'll install that. We'll be back once I got everything ready to go ahead and place back on the car. So we'll see you guys in a few. So got it finished installed, as you guys can see. Bulbs are in, everything. My LED strip is back on. So let's go ahead and get that thing installed. Basically, install opposite of basically reverse, opposite of the remover. So first things first, hook up your lights. Make sure they click. And go ahead and put in your turn signal. Slide it back a little bit. There we go. that's all done, I'll go ahead. And like I said, this is an extra step. This is not something you guys are going to do unless you guys have these lights such as I do. There we go. Alrighty guys, so that's installed. Told you, it's simple, pretty quick, easy mod. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once she's done. But I'll wait for the peel. It looks way better. I think we're gonna have some good lights, but we'll be back once the other one's done. Alrighty guys, we're all finished up, and I have to say, world of difference. Looks gorgeous. Like, wow, almost like they were brand new. So here you guys go, take a look. That right there is gonna make a world of difference in driving at night. And yeah, you know, very similar to stock. They don't have the LEDs at the bottom, but who cares? I really like the black accents inside. It just fits the car. And having these refractors all new means that the headlight is gonna shine beautiful. You see? Looks gorgeous. So for about, I'd say maybe an hour, hour and a half tops of your time, you can easily switch those out and be able to see a world of difference, pun intended, at night while you're driving. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Later, heathens.